channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day, wonderful night, and today it's gonna be our rainy day routine. I'm so tired. Good morning. Mommy, it's raining so hard. Yeah, it is. Okay, so the monitor isn't working, so I'm gonna go and check on the twins. Okay, so Noah's still sleeping, and Noah is also still sleeping. Okay, so I'm under the socks and the shoes, and because today is raining, I'm gonna wear my jacket, of course. No, this is cropped. Okay, so I'm gonna wear that, of course. No, yes, I'll wear this shirt. Do you think it'll rain all day? Probably, but it's gonna be okay. Okay, so then watch your cartoons. Okay, lunch is checked. I'm so excited! Okay, I'm gonna practice sunscreen because there's no sun. Okay, everybody, I'm off to work. Be good. Bye, Daddy. Bye. So I'm just using this card because I want to use my packs more. Okay, the shirt, and the trousers, and the socks, and gumboots, and my jacket, and I'm ready. Let me pack my book. Okay, so it's time to get the twins ready, even though I think they should be staying behind and sleep. I'm just gonna go with them. Okay, so there we go, and I'm ready. I'm actually wear that. Okay, let's go, kids. Okay, rain! Cleo, get inside before you get wet. Bye, Mom. Bye. Do my drawing. Oh, okay. And this is my flower. Looks nice. Home time. Bye, everybody. I'm going home. I heard my mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Cleo. Look at my art. Wow, it's so nice. Okay, get in the car. So how was school? It was good. Grilled cheeses are the best. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Yes. Okay, everybody, let's watch something on the TV before we go to bed. That was yummy, Mom. Thanks. You're welcome. Okay, let me take that off. And you're ready. Good night. up into your PJs. Take off your pacifier. Good night. Good night. Hey, sorry I'm home late. I had to work in late. It's okay. Good night, Paisley. Good night. Okay, well, I'm kind of glad it rained. Sometimes rain days can be the best. Hey everybody, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.